What does Johnny Yaman pay attention to when choosing a project? Johnny Yaman shined in terms of success with the Early Bird series. However, he has a total of 6 different productions in his career. He managed to take a strong step in every role together with his managers, mother, and father. He carefully evaluates all offers after the series gone release. The actor gives important details about his inner interviews. John said, while choosing a project, the character you will portray in the series, the storyline and language of the series are very effective in the decision-making process. In the Early Bird series, John, a very nice addition to the character, stood out, especially with his style of dressing, saying that he bought the clothes of John David character in the first episode. John drew attention to a wider audience. The actor said, one of the biggest reasons why I choose Arkansas is that I trust its script and the team I will work with. In my project, I always appear before the audience with a complete different image and character. I am happy they are all very much loved and expresses that he is satisfied with this journey so far. The actor who wants to take part in movies must first create a suitable time and a good project proposal must come. John said, we need a whole lot of time to make a movie. It is also known with a statement that we had not been able to find such a gap for years. So we are not able to evaluate the offers for now. Johnny Yaman thoughts and movies are as follow. I want to be in a movie too. There are many names that I want to work with in Turkey and in other countries around the world. The best film of the best directors in the world are often their first film. Perhaps this is because they are working very devotedly, very carefully and very devotedly to reveal something very valuable at the beginning of their profession. I can also take part in a movie of someone who will make a movie for the first time. As for now, the Turkish actor continues to focus on training for his upcoming Italian project Sandokan. Since the moment January was announced to play the leading role in Sandokan, he entered a rigorous training camp to get ready for the role as Sandokan himself. With his 8.2 million followers on Instagram, the Turkish handsome usually shares multiple posts of himself, accompanied by a professional trainer who physically prepared him and improved his fighting skills.